Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this time we are going to do the Bluetooth pairing test of the Smoking Bud, the Skullcandy Smoking Buds 2. So a lot of people actually like these earphones a lot because of their sound stage. This has got a very different sound stage which once you get used to, then a lot of people don't really prefer any other kind of earphones other than the Skullcandy. So a lot of a request has been coming to me regarding making more videos on them, so I'll be making a few more. So this is the pairing test. So let's see how many devices can this connect. Will it support two devices at the same time, and what audio profiles do you get? So let's connect this with the LG G6 first. So to switch it on, I'll have to press the call answer button in the middle, the one with the skull. Keep it pressed and don't leave it. Now you see the blue light come in, and now it'll go into the pairing mode. So the pairing mode is blue and red color blinking, the light blinking. So let's check if the LG G6 finds it. Okay, SB2 wireless, I'll select that. And that's it, it's paired. So you get both the profile, call and media, so both of them are working. So let me try. Now the easiest way to pair with another device is just put off the Bluetooth of the previous device. Now switch off the earphone by pressing the call button again and wait for 2 seconds, and then press the power button again, press this button again, keep it pressed till the time it goes into pairing mode. It's in pairing mode. Now I'll take another device, and now I'll add it over here. Okay, SB2 wireless, so I'll select that. Allow, pair, and done. So this is connected, 100% battery. So it shows you the battery life also, and it's connected fine. Now I'll connect it to a third device. I'll put it off. And now wait for 2 seconds. Press it back, put it back on. Keep the power button pressed, power or call answer, whatever you want to call it. And now it's in pairing mode. So okay, I see SB2 here. I'll select that and connected. So now it's connected. Let me see. Okay, so on the iPhone it won't really show you what profile is it connected to, so it'll just show you that it's connected. So both call and audio works in this. So let me connect it with the second device. So I'll connect it to this one. Okay, so now you see that it did not get connected, SB2 wireless. I'll try it again. Okay, so no matter how many times you try it, it will not connect. Now for me to connect to this device, I'll have to disconnect it from the iPhone. I'll disconnect and now connect it from here, and it's connected. Now I'll show you a different thing. Now on the LG G6, now this is also an Android device. I'll go to connect to the earphone again. Now you'll see it's connected to both the phones. So it's connected to the OnePlus and it's connected to the LG G6. So both of them have the call audio and the media audio. So I'll show you this also. So it's got phone and media audio, both of them. So both the profiles are working fine, but it does not work with an iPhone. So if an iPhone is connected, then the second one doesn't work. Now let me just show you one more thing. So I'll disconnect from here. Now the earphone is just connected to the LG G6. Now let me try the iPhone. So I'll go into this, hit connect. Now it's connected to the iPhone, and now it's still connected to the Android device. So this is something strange that I found with this earphone. Normally that's why a lot of people are having problems with connecting to this, because once an iPhone is connected with it, like if an iPhone is connected with it right now, it will not allow another Android device to connect at the same time. But if an Android device is connected, it will allow an iPhone to connect after that. So you've seen how to connect the Smoking Buds 2 with two devices. It works fine. It does give you some problems when there's a different architecture involved, like an iOS involved. Then it does give you a little bit of problem, but you can always work around it. You can just switch off the iPhone, or maybe disconnect the Bluetooth from the iPhone, then connect it to the Android, and then connect back to the iPhone again. So then it'll work. Sometimes it straight away allows you to connect both of them, but sometimes it has a problem. So this is a big problem that a lot of people have, connecting to a second device with the Smoking Buds 2. So now you've seen how to do that. In case you have further questions, do comment, do let me know, and I'll answer that questions too. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.